In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AI Assistant in Monday.com. This powerful tool can significantly streamline workflows, automate tasks, and even help generate content, making your project management more efficient and intelligent. Enabling and utilizing the AI Assistant is a straightforward process, but it requires access to your account's administrative settings. Let's get your Monday.com workspace ready to leverage the power of artificial intelligence. To begin, you'll need to locate your profile picture or icon. You can find this in the upper right-hand corner of your Monday.com interface. This icon serves as your gateway to personal settings and, crucially for our purpose today, the broader administrative controls for your entire workspace. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Keep in mind that access to these administrative settings is typically restricted to account administrators, ensuring only authorized individuals can make workspace-wide changes. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Administration. This section acts as the central control panel for your Monday.com account, allowing you to manage users, security, billing, and all overall workspace features. Think of it as the central hub where you can customize and govern how your team interacts with the platform. Navigating here is the essential step to access the deeper configurations required to activate advanced tools like the AI Assistant. After entering the administration area, your next step is to click on Customization from the left-hand navigation pane. This part of the administrative settings is specifically designed for tailoring your Monday.com experience to better suit your organization's unique needs. It's where you can adjust various aspects of how the platform looks and functions for your users, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your operational requirements. This is a key stop on our journey to enabling the AI features. Within the customization section, you'll see several categories. Look for and click on Features. This area is dedicated to managing the various tools and functionalities available within your Monday.com workspace. It's where you can enable or disable specific capabilities, allowing you to fine-tune the platform to empower your teams with the exact set of tools they need. This is precisely where we will find the toggle for the AI Assistant, giving you full control over its availability. Now that you're in the Features section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Enable or Disable AI Features. This is the crucial setting we've been looking for. To activate the AI Assistant for your entire Monday.com workspace, simply click the toggle switch next to this option to turn it on. When the toggle is set to the On position, the AI Assistant and its various functionalities will become accessible across your boards, items, and tasks, allowing your team to start leveraging its intelligent capabilities immediately. A quick save might be needed if prompted, though changes often apply instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the AI Assistant in your Monday.com workspace. You can now explore the many ways it can enhance your team's productivity, from summarizing updates to generating ideas and automating tasks.